Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Looking for a new watch band to brighten up your Apple Watch? You might want to check out what CASETiFY has to offer. They've got both Saffiano vegan leather and stainless steel options to choose from and are compatible with Apple Watch Series 1 through 6 as well as SE. The vegan leather Saffiano Strap is available in literally thousands of designs or text custom options and can be coordinated with a matching CASETiFY phone case. And like an increasing number of CASETiFY products, it's even biodegradable. And the fancier, easily adjustable stainless steel band comes in 5 lovely color choices. Let's take a closer look. So looking first at our Saffiano Apple Watch strap, I just wanted to point out the packaging. As usual, CASETiFY packaging is great. This is a recyclable packaging, which is excellent, very stylish. This watch strap is made of a Saffiano vegan leather, so it is cruelty-free. We've got a textured exterior. And then on the interior, this is smooth, so it's going to be nice and soft against your skin. Everything is quite nicely made here. Your buckle and your metal adapter here are available in the various colors of Apple Watch. So this is the silver one. You've also got red, navy, gold, and space gray. So everything is going to match perfectly. Overall, really nice product here. I love the fact that no animals were harmed in making this. Definitely a pro. The material is water resistant as well as scratch resistant. Overall, really cute. And of course, this is available in thousands of graphic designs, and you can match your phone case to it as well. You can also customize it with your initials. Installing this band on your watch is really easy. You just want to start on the one side and then slide it in. Clicks into place quite nicely, and then do the same thing with your bottom strap. As you can see, everything looks great here. We've got a good color match, I think, with the metal hardware. Again, nice smooth strap here on the interior. Got a little bit of CASETiFY branding here. Overall, just a really nice watch strap. We've got a nice fit here on the wrist. Lots of options here in terms of sizing. I have a relatively small wrist, but you can also fit this with a much larger wrist. And of course, I'm loving the fact that I can coordinate this with a matching CASETiFY phone case for a really fun look. Removing the strap is quick and easy. All you need to do is press in this little button on the back of your watch, and then slide out the strap, and then do the same thing with the other side. Looking at the second Saffiano band that CASETiFY sent me, this is one of their custom options. Putting this one on the watch. Again, really easy to slide it on. So this is one of the custom options where you can put your initials on it and choose colors. They have quite a good customization tool on their website. Basically, the deal is that you need to choose, first of all, your base color. You've got 18 base colors to choose from. So the base color here is navy, and then you get to choose a second and a third color. So in this particular choice here, I have a secondary color of red and a tertiary color of white. And then my initials have both the white and the red on here. So kind of have a little bit of a shadow effect here. Looks really cool. I could also have just chosen to do this with 2 colors. So maybe like a navy background and a single red stripe, and then KSG here just in red. But I decided to go with all 3 colors. You do have to choose at least 2 colors for this, however. If you choose just a single color, then there's no way to have the initials show up. So you definitely have to have a stripe of some sort if you're going to go with this initial option. But really cool, really nice look here. And of course, just like with the graphic design straps we were looking at, there's going to be a matching CASETiFY phone case for you to coordinate your custom Saffiano strap with. Going a little bit more upscale, we have our stainless steel Apple Watch band. So this is really quite a nice product. This comes with a surprisingly nice adjustment tool if it turns out you need to remove any links from the bracelet. You just turn this little wheel here and it's going to push out the metal pin that's holding the links in place. Then you can remove the links and then replace the pin back in. This actually worked so well for me when I was adjusting this that I used this on a watch band for a competitor company. They also had an adjustment tool that was shipped with the product, but it was quite hard to use, and I found that I was able to use the CASETiFY tool to adjust the watch band much more easily. Overall, really nice job there by CASETiFY. Installing the stainless steel Apple Watch band on your watch is going to be a little bit more difficult than with the Saffiano straps we were looking at, because you have to do both sides more or less at once. So all you need to do is insert the one side in just a little bit and then go over to the other side and then slide that one in and then slide them both on the rest of the way. Just a little bit trickier. But then they snick right into place and you're good to go. So looking at this, just really nice. Got some CASETiFY branding here. Very glossy, nice material here. This is a premium stainless steel. Super comfortable on the wrist, obviously water resistant. Just very, very nice. It's going to go with everything. You've got a total of 5 color choices here. This is the silver. There's also a rose gold, a gold and silver, a black, and a lovely blue color available. One thing you might want to keep in mind is that, for example, my watch is the low-end aluminum watch. This is perhaps better designed to go with a stainless steel watch in terms of the silver, so the color doesn't quite match here, but I don't think that's really a very big deal. Putting this on, really easy. Of course, as you can see, I've got a perfect fit on here. I was able to use the really nice adjustment tool that CASETiFY sends out to take out the perfect number of links. So I've got a really customized perfect fit here without having to go to a jeweler or anything like that. Awesome job there by CASETiFY. Got a very nice quality clasp here. Overall, I think that this is just a really nice watch strap. I think it makes my Apple Watch look a lot more expensive than it actually was. Very classy, very fancy look, and again, comfortable. Totally can wear this all day long. It's not going to pinch or rub or anything like that, and you do get that perfect custom fit there. Really nice product here by CASETiFY. Again, we've been looking at the biodegradable Saffiano vegan leather Apple Watch strap and the stainless steel Apple Watch band. These products are available directly from CASETiFY and are priced at $52 for the Saffiano strap and $95 for the stainless steel band. There is no additional charge for customization. These are a bit pricey, but you can save 15% by using the special affiliate link for my viewers, www.casetify.com/thetechreviewer. Many thanks to the kind folks at CASETiFY for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below and I'll do my best to answer them, and please do consider subscribing to my channel. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.